Guys, so me, my sister, my cousin are gonna go watch Spider-Man. I don't know if we're on focus, so we're just gonna pray if it's focus, because we can't see shit right now. It wasn't on focus. Okay, peace. Okay, well that's so awkward, dog. Christian, show the donut. Hey guys, so we're in the movies now.
Is that how you describe your job, Clint?
Watching Spider-Man. Yeah, it's about right. And with these two, we're just doing lots of ads.
Ads are registered as we get it.
So we just finished the movie, and I enjoyed the movie Spider-Man, and I freaking cried in some parts where it mentioned oh my god, like what the fuck. But like, it's a good movie and you should go fucking watch it, guys. What you think of the movie?
It's good. Lunchtime. Fresh chicken and noodles.
I'm gonna scare my cousin and sister. Hey guys, so we're going to pay my mom's phone. And like, my hair is so whack. My eyes are itchy. Oh, that feels so good.
That's hot.
Okay, so I can't do an outro because I haven't done YouTube like in a while. So like, just ending a video is so weird to me right now. So here we go. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and click the bell so you can get notified every time I drop new vlogs or challenges or whatever it may be. Just kidding, bye guys.